Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platforms out there. In 2019, there were over 500,000 stores and over $40 billion in sales. And that number is growing as we speak. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to go from beginner to pro by the end of this video at selling on Shopify. And you're gonna do that just by avoiding the common mistakes that most beginners make. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into this list. The first mistake that I see a ton of Shopify stores making is not using an affiliate program to drive sales. Facebook marketing is incredibly expensive in 2019. It's not the good old days when you could drive sales quickly and inexpensively using Facebook ads. Also, using Instagram shoutouts is very immeasurable. You don't know how much traffic you're gonna get per shoutout, and you could end up overpaying. That's why I really love affiliate programs. You can set one up on your Shopify store using the Refersion app. They have a free trial, and you can start driving traffic by reaching out to influencers and negotiating a percentage of every sale that you're gonna give them. It does a great job of aligning incentives between you and your affiliates so that they drive traffic to your store, they make money, and you know exactly how much you're gonna be paying for every single sale. You're reaching out to the wrong influencers for shoutouts. Maybe they're in a different niche than you, or maybe their engagement rate is low. Check their total number of followers and then look at how many likes they're getting for every single post. If this isn't a high percentage, like 5 to 10% of their total followers, then they're probably not getting enough engagement to actually drive people to your store. You're not using Facebook Messenger to retarget your customers. I use the Recard app and they offer a 30-day free trial. For me, this was the most cost-effective way to retarget my customers, even when I compared it to Facebook retargeting and email marketing. You're not adding related products to your Shopify product pages. This is an easy way for you to sell your customers other related products that they might be interested in, and it's a great way to get your conversion rates up and boost sales. Now, I have another video that shows you how to edit your Shopify theme and do this completely free, but there's also some paid apps out there if you don't want to spend time editing. You're overspending on Facebook ads. Most people who got started with Facebook advertising did so in the good old days when you could easily drive cost-effective traffic with Facebook ads. Now, if you want to approach Facebook ads, the best method to go with is retargeting ads. Getting people into your website and then just using a Facebook pixel on your Shopify store to then retarget those customers later and bring them back in. They're then significantly more likely to purchase a product after they've gotten to know your brand a little bit more and already visited your Shopify store the first time. You're not emailing invoices to your customers using an automatic invoice generator. Order Printer Pro has a nice free option that sends out invoices to your customers via email after they've purchased a product. This is a great way to show your customers that you're one step above most other Shopify stores out there. You're trying to build a brand with dropshipping. Consumers have gotten smarter by 2019, and they recognize dropshipping brands that aren't selling their own products. It's difficult to establish a value proposition when you're dropshipping and you don't have unique products and efficient shipping. Consumers expect very fast shipping in 2019, and it's very hard to source products off of AliExpress and maintain those quick shipping times. You're spending way too much time on your store design. Shopify is professional and clean right out of the box. Once you have a good looking store, you need to go ahead and get started with selling. You don't have to do too much with Shopify to get this started, so stop wasting time making your store look perfect and go ahead and start selling products. You're not displaying the cost of your items in multiple currencies. The Currency Converter app is a great way to do up to 5 different currencies completely free. Even if you're only targeting one country, you may have other countries and visitors from those countries coming into your store every now and then. So it makes sense to at least have that option available. And it also makes your store look significantly more professional to offer multiple currencies. You're not email marketing. Your email list is one of the most valuable assets that you have, so you should absolutely be utilizing this. Privy has an awesome free app with exit intent pop-ups that collect email addresses. They also have some built-in email marketing features that allow you to easily get started with email marketing on Shopify. A lot of stores don't choose a specific enough niche. You want to narrow down your niche enough so that you can be highly specialized. And make sure that your niche is popular enough. Do a quick Google Trends search and make sure that people are searching for your key search terms and that those are growing in popularity. Your shipping is mediocre at best. Most customers expect the Amazon Prime experience where they get free shipping and it gets there in 2 days. That is very hard to match on Shopify. If you're drop shipping, you need to be at the very least using ePacket only and offering that for free. Even then, that shipping experience may be a little bit slow. So getting that faster and faster is going to do a lot more to help you retain customers on your Shopify store. You don't have enough product reviews. If people don't see that social proof that someone else is buying from your store, there is no way that you're going to make a sale to them. Looks Photo Reviews is one of my favorite apps because it allows for great clean photos and a lot of other customizable features. You can also pull reviews off of AliExpress to automatically populate your store with reviews so that customers see that social proof. You're not creating a sense of urgency. Create promotion codes that expire within a certain amount of time. That way customers know that they only get the discounted offer if they buy soon. Conversion Plus offers a free countdown timer for your add to cart page. That way, as soon as a customer adds one of your products to their cart, you can let them know that you're holding their cart for them for a specified period of time. Not only does this come off as a generous gesture, it also shows your customers that other people are waiting to buy those products if they don't hurry up and buy them now. Your product descriptions are too short and lacking. Make sure to write longer product descriptions that emphasize the features and benefits of your products. You have distracting content on your store. Your customer should be taken directly to the product page that you want to make a sale on. And your home page should have product offerings where customers can go ahead and buy directly from the home store. Don't even bother with a slideshow. This is distracting, takes up time that customers could be using to buy your products from you. You're not building enough trust and authority. You should have a clean and simple looking site. You should spend a decent amount of time building up your social media presence, and you should also use trust badges. Hector has a free trust badge that you can put on your product page, and it shows your customers that you are trustworthy and that your brand has some authority. You're not using SEO on your Shopify store. On-page SEO is easy. You can just add a keyword to the title of each page and also add that keyword and related keywords throughout the page. Bulk Image Edit offers an entirely free plan that you can use to update all of the alt image tags on your different pages of your Shopify store to include SEO keywords. You're overpaying for expensive courses to learn how to do e-commerce. Most information that is out there you can find completely free, and most of the gurus that are selling these courses have found their most profitable product. It is the online course, not actually any physical products that they're selling on Shopify. You're not upselling your customers with other products that they might be interested in buying. If you're not doing this, then you could be leaving 10 to 20% in profits on the table. If you made it through this entire video, congratulations, you are well on your way to becoming a master at selling on Shopify. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna be releasing tons of other great e-commerce videos that are gonna help you master selling online.